Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to copy and paste picture on slide to another in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your iCloud Keynote, then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I copy and paste picture on slide to another slide in this presentation. Now I have to go another slide to have a picture. Now you can see here are my picture. Now I right click this picture, then press copy, then press OK. Now you can also copy this picture like press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard, then go to your first slide, then press Ctrl plus V to paste this previous image. Now you can see I copy and paste picture on slide to another in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.